Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Chao Thi Vinh Te Street. Very important street, guys. Very important, very important. This is where you can get one of the best Vietnamese street foods in around the An Thuong area. We will start here with a beautiful, very affordable noodle soups. All right, they have pho, they have other noodle dishes, and yeah, it's very good. But this here is brand new. I think they did not start yet, but or maybe they are open already. Very quick. So before that, there were like street food vendors over here. Funny story. My English friend Danny, shout out to you. He brought me here one time for a video, and I think it was the first video I've ever done in my life. My first video on YouTube, and then there was a barbecue grill over there. And when I I ordered my sticky rice and pork, grilled pork, and there was just a grilled cockroach as well on top of my plate.
No.
Yeah, that was my first time eating street food here. I still ate it. I did not eat the plate, but I said, hey, give me a new plate. And then I eat it, and it was very good. But yeah, it happens. You know, if you cook on the street here and a little cockroach is jumping on your barbecue grill, I mean, it can happen, right? But yeah, this is not there anymore. All those little street food vendors are gone. And now we have another beer place, beer and good Vietnamese dishes over here. All right, let's start the Chao Thi Vinh Te. Yeah. Gom ga. Oh, look at this! Wow! Wow, Marcus! Look at this! Yes! Yes! I did never see this before. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my God. What a beautiful day it is. Amen. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I don't want to break anything. Look at this. This is a full automatic toilet. This is amazing. Guys, I'm so happy. This is a toilet store. Hello. I think she's a little bit scared now.
Yes.
But I mean, this is a normal toilet, but yes. I want actually this toilet, guys. I don't know what this is, but you can also, if you are toilet manufacturing and you do this kind of toilets, you can reach out to me for sponsorship. I'm gladly promote your Japanese style toilets with bidets, you know. That would be my dream.
Maybe it's, then you can start your podcast on toilet.
So here we have some karaokes. I think here's one, and there's another one. And this place here, I'm not sure if they're still open, but they had very tasty grilled eggs. So they open the egg, they put the egg out, they mix it with salt and pepper and maybe MSG, put it back, grill it, and then you open it and you have a grilled egg.
Oh.
Beautiful. Very affordable protein source, guys. But it's also very tasty. They have this nice little spicy sauce. Beautiful. Lots of restaurants over there as well. There was a good Hanoian restaurant there once, but I think they changed. But yeah, we are now here at the Chao Thi Vinh Te Street. We have a beautiful Ban Kan's restaurant over here. I did a video about that already, long time before. And yeah, lots of restaurants I actually filmed in as well. But every few months, every few weeks, they change here, guys. Mixu is the biggest franchise in the world. Marcus, can you fact check me?
Yes.
It is the biggest franchise, right?
Yes, it's the biggest one because you told me. So
all right.
I have no evidence.
Can you please, everyone, fact check me as well? Is Mixu now the biggest franchise in the world? Not McDonald's anymore. What is that? A music box?
Karaoke. No, invite you to karaoke.
Invite you to karaoke. Very cheap price.
Eh?
Invite.
So
yeah.
you have to bring your wife with.
Yeah, or maybe you get a wife in there. I don't know.
Yeah, that would be good.
Oh, look at this. This is a dental clinic. I think, I'm not sure if my wife goes in there, but I will test it out soon. Not sure if it's this or another one, but yeah, very interesting. If you bite into some bone or something and you screw up your teeth, you can go to the dentist right in the same street, guys. Bone, steak and egg, beautiful. Billiard club, all right. What else do we have here? Cyber gaming, that's also new, I think. Lots of nuoc mia. Marcus loves nuoc mia.
Yes.
Marcus, I often read on my comments it's very unhealthy. And it spikes your blood sugar and you will die in 24 hours
Nah.
because of your nuoc mia.
No, I can't believe because the internet says it's very good.
Okay. Look at it. So this was a big coffee shop one time. But now they have, it looks like a German flag somehow. But it is a Korean barbecue again. Another one.
Where?
Oh, I mean this.
No. Really? Is
Or
it
also a hot pot maybe?
It looks
or a
like
noodle
hot
shop.
Pot, you see? So
Oh yeah. Ah yeah, Mi Kai, Lao Thai, Lao Kimchi. Okay, Lao is hot pot. It's a hot pot, guys. But I think it's a Korean hot pot. Whew. When you're in the shades, it's pretty good. Just it's very hot in the sun at the moment. Oh, Marcus, this is a new convenience store. Wow, this is crazy. This was a lunch spot. This was a lunch spot, guys.
Wow.
That's insane. They just built this. Let's check it out. That's a little bit sad though. It was like a real down-to-earth lunch spot. But you got 43,000 for a kilogram of avocados. You got meat here. You got ice cream. You got more meat here. So what is the meat prices, guys?
What is that? It's 37,000 for chicken.
Yeah,
It seems like.
not sure what the kilo price is though.
Oh, look at this. They have here
Chicken wings and
100
chicken
gram
feet.
is 10,000. So the kilo is 100,000.
Okay, so 40 cents per 100 gram. Okay guys, what do we have still here? We have some yogurt. Lots of other refreshments, drinks. Some other things here. Sometimes you get some good deals here in these kind of stores. Or some interesting stuff. Didn't see anything yet. But if you're into these
Noodles?
cup noodle things, you will love Vietnam. They have so many different ones. All kinds of, and spaghetti. Italy, 42. What else do they have here? Very important. Oh, look at this. They also have chinsu sriracha. So you will not find easily the sriracha, what you know from the West, but you will find the sriracha from Vietnam with chinsu. What else do they have here? Fish.
Octopus? What is that?
Oh, this is actually interesting. Fresh octopus sliced up, 46,000 for this pack. So this is $1.50 or something. And shrimps also, already peeled and everything. Oh, and then this weird fishies. Cool. Then they have vegetables over there. Oh, it's okay. Let's move on. I think we are too big.
I just pushed her away.
Marcus.
Don't even notice her.
Marcus. All right, I think the lunch spot just moved up across. Now the lunch spot is across, I guess. I think they just moved. It's okay. Everything is still the same. Good. What else do we have new here? Some places are also not open at this time of the day. Pretty much everything. Because usually they're open in the morning and in the evening. During day there's also the nap time and yeah, it's not much business. People are working. So, but here, Grandma Thuong. Did they change the price?
Is it?
I think yes. It's 35K now. I really enjoy this banh mi, guys. It's beautiful.
Now more cheap or?
Yeah, it's more cheap now, but also they have a weird thing with brie and pate. I never had a banh mi with brie. Very nice. And they also have a very tasty kombucha. I'm not sure if that's healthy because it's too tasty to be healthy. All right. So check it out, guys. Grandma Thuong is always great.
Yes. It's always worth a visit.
Yeah. What else do we have here? Yummy chicken feet bowl. Oh, Marcus. Marcus. Hello. Look at this. Unlaid eggs. I think we should try this out one too soon. I think you tried it already one time. You tried it one time already.
Oh, okay, yeah. I think yes.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
in the market.
Where you were scared. Thank you. Bye bye. Where you were scared that with eggs I mean balls
Exactly.
or testicles. Yeah. No, no, it's unlaid eggs. So yeah, just Google it. I don't want to explain it. It's not a nice thing to explain. But yeah, it tastes very eggy and very good actually. I tried it out in a noodle soup one time. We got here some local convenience stores. Or the German word for today, Tante Emma Laden. Okay? This here is a Tante Emma Laden, I would say, right?
Yeah, just a convenience.
It's an Auntie Emma store. Funny enough, my wife is Emma too. So. Oh, look at this. Bunbo. Yeah, yeah. You got some beef noodle soups. You have more nukmia and banh mi next door. And join me, Marcus. I'm gonna show them an interesting place here.
Outside, they're opening a dental clinic.
Oh, wow. Maybe we're gonna go in there.
Oh, look at the tools in the second floor.
Wow, that's a new dental clinic, guys. This is crazy. Oh my God. When this opens up, oh, look at this.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, guys.
Looks so modern.
Yes. Okay, well, we don't know if it's good or not, right? But so we will keep you updated. This is another reason why you should subscribe to this channel, guys.
Yes.
I will show you all those places. Go ahead, go one up, press subscribe,
You know what?
guys.
I will do a dental cleaning
Yeah.
just to check it out.
Maybe I do it too. But I want to show you here, this is a little sneaky route, but there's the Cowboy with K. And this is also a very good burger place. I like it. There's also a nice little coffee shop over here. And yeah, a few other stores, but we're gonna focus today here on the Chowtivinte Street.
I think we found a gem.
Yeah, that
It
could be.
looks like a gem.
There was a huge co-working space and coffee shop, but now they're just transforming it. Oh, there's the old coffee shop on top still. Yeah, yeah. All right, guys, this is very good. Banh mi chang, okay. Interesting. There's the banh mi places here. I had food here in pretty much, yeah, a lot of places here. I started my YouTube journey with food. Also, if you need fans, buy them here. Don't go to the supermarkets, just buy them here. It's better. They can also repair it if it's broken. The fans from the supermarket cannot be repaired, as at least they will not repair it. Oh wow, Marcus!
Tofu.
That's a brand new spot too.
Is it tofu because it's vegetarian? No, the
It's a barbecue. I see a lot of meat, man.
Yeah. They say tofu.
Yeah. I mean, that's just, maybe it's the owner's name, Tofu. And another dental clinic. Or? Dien Nuoc Kim? No, it's not. It's not dental. I'm stupid. It has to be Na Koa or something. It's a dental clinic, I think. Interesting. Guys, it's so interesting. Every time you walk by here, something new opens up. This is also a very tasty place to eat this little grilled stuff thingy. I did a video about that too. You know what? I will link it down below for you guys.
Here's a hostel and the pub together.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is the hostel name?
Pub.
And a travel agency.
Everything together.
Okay, guys, if you want to have a hostel room right in the middle of the food street, that's the place for you to go. Probably with hostel cost and food cost, what is so cheap here, you probably have a monthly you're gonna be like $200-300 per month if you want to live like
There
that.
was just on the German channel,
Yeah.
someone commented, he's paying €1.80 per night.
Wow. That's
so
crazy.
It's $2.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you want to live on $300, maybe that works out here. We should do it as a test one time.
Well, you can do it. I just come visit.
And this here is a very, very famous bubble tea place. Tuk Tak Tea. Tuk Tak Tea. So when they opened here, there was a line, super long line, and Vietnamese ladies love this. My wife loves it too. If you want to get a wife, Vietnamese wife, just go to these tea places. They will not be around in the bars, but they will be in the tea places. Because every Vietnamese girl needs also tea. My wife loves this, milk tea, bubble tea, all these kind of teas. I think they renovated here as well, the full market. Yeah. And now we are at the Doba Street. The Doba Street is also very important, and I did a lot of videos about the Doba Street as well. Especially if you go north from here, you have beautiful restaurants, but one of our favorite couture restaurants also closed, sadly, over there. So the one, what we really enjoyed both, the $1 couture place, is closed, it's done, all right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out this video here for more. See you in the next one.